Hey everyone. So, happy Tuesday. And yeah, it's Tuesday. I get my days all mixed up. Um, so, today I'm going to do a few more octopi. I'm actually going to try to do a blue ring octopi. I don't know how it's going to turn out. The blue rings aren't looking so ringy. But we'll see what it looks like after. I still have to do my green one that I was going to do the other day. I didn't get a chance to do it, and I'm going to do a blue glitter guy. Deep blue sea. So, yeah. I'm going to put the video on time lapse, and I will pause it and show you some of my things that I am working on along the way. So, thank you for watching. Please feel free to watch along, leave a comment, like, subscribe. I love all that good stuff. So, alrighty, enjoy the video. Alright, so far I made the blue ring octopus. We'll see how it looks tomorrow. I made a blue glitter octopi. Made some of my normal things like the manatee, some skulls, turtles. Now I just need to make another batch of resin so that I can do my last octopi in the green that I've been meaning to do, but I just haven't gotten to it. So I'm gonna get that completed and that'll be done. And so I'm gonna put it back on time lapse, and then I'll come back once I'm finished getting that completed. So, all right. Alright, hey everyone. So I finished what I'm going to be doing for the day. Spray a little alcohol on that to get rid of the bubbles in there. So had some little accidents happen. My GoPro ended up falling and landed in my resin, so that's fun. But yeah, so I did this new glitzy razzleberry that's from glitzyglitterexpress.com. They have amazing glitter, so if you need glitter for crafting, I definitely recommend to them. I did a kitty cat and a turtle, and I started on a soap dish. Now the reason I didn't finish it is because I think that I'm gonna do a black on top. It'll bring out the colors, so that's what I'll do tomorrow. And then I did some more pop sockets and a little tea light holder. So all right, well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to comment, like, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.